Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Amegy online banking account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Amegy bank account from your computer, first open up a web browser. Soon after you do that, go and click on the URL box at the top. Type in www.amegybank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will take you to the official web page of Amegy Bank, which looks like this. Once you end up in the official web page of Amegy Bank, click on the sign in button in green at the top right hand corner. This will take you to the login area. From the login area, choose whether you'd like to log into your personal account, business account, corporate account, or mortgage account. Once you choose any of the options displayed on the screen, you'll need to enter the credentials asked right beneath it. Since I've chosen personal, I'm going to have to enter the username and password that is associated with my account. So go to the first text box where it says username and type in your username correct. Once you do that, go to the password text box and type in your password as well. If you don't remember your credentials, click on Need Help link in order to reset your login ID or your password. But if you know your credentials correct, go ahead and type it in. Check this Remember Me box if you'd like the system to remember your credentials so that next time you won't have to type it in again and again. But remember to leave it unchecked if you're using a public device or a shared computer. If you're not enrolled into online banking yet for Amegy Bank, click on Enroll Now link beneath the sign in button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to register for a new account. Finally, after entering all of the credentials correct, click sign in, and that way you should be logged into your Amegy online banking account right from your computer in a few simple steps. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. We'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.